Hello, Professor Manish. I'm Andrea Frisque.
I'm Bree Lively.
And I'm Rubi Guzman. Today we're presenting our fictional organism, the whispering horn grazer, or the Etherosaurus humilius. It lives in a warm, dry montane shrublands where temperatures range from about 15 to 30 degrees Celsius and rainfall is rare. The horned grazer is a herbivorous heterotroph, meaning it gets all its energy from plants. Because the wind in its habitat is extremely strong, it moves low to the ground using a slow, rhythmic scurry. It uses all four legs for stability and its two smaller front arms with opposable thumbs to grab vegetation that its mouth can't reach. To capture food, it uses flat incisors and a muscular tongue to rip up tough shrubs and grasses. It digests this food using a three-chambered stomach, a pre-fermentation chamber, a grinding gizzard with swallowed stones, and then a true acidic stomach for final digestion.
So, structurally, the horn grazer is built like a small muscular tank. Its vertebral column is shortened and partially fused, forming a rigid core that prevents wind whiplash. Its limb bones are thick with large tubercles for massive muscle attachment. Across the shoulders, neck, and hindquarters, the musculature is hypertrophied, and a ventral anchoring muscle sheath helps pull its body towards the ground. The feet end in four textured shovel like hooves that grip rocky terrain. For defense, the animal relies mainly on early detection. It has two hollow spiraled horns that function as aeroreceptors, which are special sensory organs that detect tiny changes in air pressure. When a predator disrupts the wind, the horns sense it immediately. The grazer then anchors itself using its forelegs and performs a quick lateral scurry perpendicular to the wind, or performs a technique known as a wind drop, flattening itself into vegetation so the wind hides its outline. Reproductively, the horn grazer gives birth to live young once a year. It has a strong uterus to support the developing baby and fatty mammary glands to provide high energy milk. Mothers also shelter their young from wind, especially right after birth. Seasonal mating happens when vegetation is abundant. Developmentally, juveniles are born at their final height so they can reach food quickly. Their horns are small and solid at first, but hollow out as they age. From 6 months to 2 years, they build muscle and their vertebrae begin to fuse. By adulthood, their spine is fully rigid, their horns function as sensors, and their bilayer pelt is fully developed.
The horn grazer has a bi-layer pelt adapted to its windy, sunny environment. The outer layer has white with brown spotted reflective guard hairs to deflect heat, while the inner oily undercoat traps warm air and blocks out the wind. Because dust and debris are common, wax glands around the eyes and snout create a protective seal that reduces water loss and protects against airborne particles. The respiratory and circulatory system are also adapted for high, dry altitude life. Its nasal passages reclaim water during exhalation, and its lungs have dense alveoli for high oxygen uptake. A special hemoglobin variant helps find oxygen more effectively, and a larger heart pumps oxygenated blood through its dense muscles. Carbon dioxide is expelled through the lungs, and the kidneys filter effectively to conserve water. Behaviorally, the horned grazer is most active at dawn and dusk. During heat extremes or storms, it shelters behind rocks or dense shrubs. Its horns constantly monitor the wind patterns, helping it detect predators and perform its signature wind drop maneuver. Some unique traits of the species include its fused spine, powerful anchoring muscles, and a digestive system that swallow stones to break down tough vegetation. All of these make the horned grazer perfectly adapt to survive in a harsh, windy mountain environment.
And that is our organism. Thanks for
Thank
watching.
you.